Hi, this is Phalla from KhmerTutor.com. Today you will learn this vowel and this vowel. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, like, give a comment, click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. Enough talking, let's start the lesson. The first vowel of this lesson is sra'ur. Sra'ur used with both O and O sound series consonant. Sra'ur has long sound. Now repeat after me. Good. And here are some examples. Lô, ngô, lương, chỗ, chưa, rô, ngô, rương, cố, chừng rô, ngô, krương, phó, chừng xó,ផ្សំ គ្រឿងផ្សំ ឡូ ណូ លឿន ឡ អើ ង ឡើង លឿនឡើង គាត់ ចូលចិត្ត អាន សៀវភៅរឿង គាត់ ចូលចិត្ត អាន សៀវភៅរឿង The second vowel for this lesson is sra'ir. Sra'ir used with both O and O sound series consonant. Sra'ir has long sound. Now repeat after me. Ear. Good. And here are some examples. រ អៀ ណូ រៀន ខ អៀ វ ខៀវ អ អៀ ណូ អៀន រ ស អៀ ឡូ សៀល រសៀល ឡូ ឧ យ៉ លុយ រ អៀ ឡូ រៀល លុយរៀល គាត់ ទៅរៀនភាសាខ្មែរនៅពេលរសៀល គាត់ ទៅរៀនភាសាខ្មែរនៅពេលរសៀល And now you learn sra'ur and sra'ir. I hope you found my video is useful. Don't forget, subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I post the new lesson. If you want to take private Khmer lesson with me, go to my website KhmerTutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.